Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Spotify gift cards. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can buy gift card from any leading electronic and retail stores, or you can buy it online as well. In order to redeem a Spotify gift card that you've received, your account's country or region settings need to match where the gift card was purchased. First, log into spotify.com/redeem by tapping open a web browser. Go to the search box at the top and type in spotify.com/redeem and search. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you can enter your premium code in the text field. The premium code will be available on the back of your gift card, or enter the premium code from your in-store receipt. Simply go ahead and type in your premium code and tap on I'm not a robot. Complete the task that has been given to you and tap on next. After you do that, tap on enter code, and that way you'll be able to redeem Spotify gift cards. I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.